ഹായ് വ്യൂവേഴ്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു ഫുൾ ഓഫ് കെമിസ്ട്രി. ദിസ് ഈസ് മുബീന. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 2018 ജൂണിലെ കെമിസ്ട്രി നെറ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. പാർട്ട് എ, ബി ആൻഡ് സി 3 പാർട്ടും ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ കഴിയുന്നത് വരെ കാണുക, അറിയാത്തത് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇടുക. എല്ലാ വീഡിയോസും ഇനി വരുന്ന വീഡിയോസുകളെല്ലാം കാണുക. നെറ്റിന് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സിലബസിലുള്ള ടോപ്പിക്സൊക്കെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യും, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എല്ലാം ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യും. സോ എല്ലാവരും കാണുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇപ്പോൾ പാർട്ട് എയിലെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ഫസ്റ്റ്. Question number 1. A and B move clockwise around a circle starting from a common point O. A takes 9 minutes to complete a round but restarts after a delay of 1 minute. It takes 13 minutes to complete the round but restart after a delay of 2 minutes. How many minutes after they began would they meet again at O? Options 30, 29, 31, 28. The answer is option 2, 29. Next question. 14 of the students in a class are girls. 8 students in the class wear blue shirts. 2 are neither girls nor wear blue shirts. 5 students who wear blue shirts are girls. How many students are there in the class? Options 19, 29, 17, 24. Answer is 19. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇടാം, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. A stick of length L is broken into 2 pieces at random. What is the average length of the smaller piece? Options L by 6, L by 4, L by 3 or L by 2. Answer is L by 4. A long distance runner finds a water station after completing 1/7 of the total distance. After covering another 1/6 of the total distance, he gets medical aid. Another runner joins him 4 km after the medical aid station. The second runner stops 4 km before the completion of run, covering half of the total distance. What is the total distance? Options 21 km, 30 km, 42 km or 50 km. The answer is 42 km. A fuel station sold diesel costing 15,000 rupees to 150 persons on a day. If the lower limit of sale to a person is 50 rupees, what is the maximum amount in rupees for which one person could have purchased diesel on that day? Options 7,450, 7,500, 7,550 or 7,600. The answer is 7,550. The area of the triangle formed by joining the points is options 2017, 100, 100 root 10, 100 root 20. The answer is 100. If Sangeeta's daughter is my daughter's mother, then how am I related to Sangeeta? Options son is the only possibility, son-in-law is the only possibility, daughter is the only possibility, son-in-law or daughter. The answer is son-in-law or daughter. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കിട്ടിയാൽ ആദ്യം പാർട്ട് ബി, ദെൻ പാർട്ട് സി, അവസാനമാണ് പാർട്ട് എ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് നല്ലത്. കാരണം പാർട്ട് എയിൽ 2 സെൻറ്റൻസൊക്കെ ഉള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് വേഗം വായിച്ചിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനൊക്കെ എളുപ്പമാണ് ചെയ്യാൻ. പക്ഷേ ഒരു 5-6 സെൻറ്റൻസുകളുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് എപ്പോഴും പാർട്ട് എയിൽ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ കൂടുതൽ സമയം അതിന് പോകും, 1 മണിക്കൂർ പെട്ടെന്നുണ്ട് പോകും. അപ്പോൾ ആകെ ടെൻഷനാവും. സോ ആദ്യം പാർട്ട് ബി, പിന്നെ സി, പിന്നെ എ, അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം. Professor Murthy likes to let her students choose who their partners will be. However, no pair of students may work together for more than 7 class periods in a row. Alice and Bob have worked together for 7 class periods in a row. Calvin and Denny have worked together for 3 class periods in a row. Calvin does not want to work with Alice. Who should be assigned to work with Bob? Options Calvin, Alice, Denny. None of this. Answer is Calvin. In a group of 44 players, 26 play hockey, 24 play football and 24 play cricket. 8 of them play both hockey and football, 12 play both football and cricket, and 5 play all the 3 games. How many play both hockey and cricket? Options 10, 15, none or 7. Answer is 15. Which of the following options is the best choice for the missing number? Options 1.05, 0.85, 0.75 or 0.65. The answer is 0.75. Consider a number 54 expressed in a base different from 10. What is the base of this number system if its equivalent value in the decimal system is 49? Options 1, 3, 6, 9. Answer is 9. Two students are solving the same problem independently. If the probability that the first one solved the problem is 3 by 5 and the probability that the second solves the problem is 4 by 5, what is the probability that at least one of them solves the problem? 17 by 25, 19 by 25, 21 by 25 or 23 by 25? The answer is 23 by 25. A ball is dropped from a height of 100 meter. The ball after each bounce rises vertically by half its previous height. What is the vertical distance travelled by the ball between the first and the fifth bounces? Options 350 by 2 meter, 365 by 2 meter, 375 by 2 or 385 by 2. The answer is 375 by 2 meter. ഇനി നെക്സ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് ബിയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഡൈന്യൂക്ലിയർ ആനയോൺ I2H twice OH 4- has two bridging oxo groups. The geometry around each iodine is. Options octahedral, monocapped octahedral, square pyramidal, pentagonal bipyramidal. The answer is octahedral. Next question. Using a double beam UV visible spectrophotometer, Beer's law fails for potassium dichromate solution when? The answer is when the pH is not kept same in all measurements. Trivalent lanthanide ion having isotropic magnetic susceptibility is. Options Eu3+, Gd3+, Yb3+, or lutetium 3+. The answer is gadolinium 3+. Next question. The structure of CaB6 is close to that of. Options cesium chloride, nickel arsenide, rock salt or zinc blend. The answer is cesium chloride. Next question. The correct order of CO bond length is. The answer is option 2. Among the elements zinc, gallium, germanium and arsenic, the one with the lowest first ionization energy is. Options arsenic, zinc, gallium, germanium. The answer is gallium. 20th question. The total degeneracy of the ground term of CO2 plus in octahedral geometry is. Options 18, 12, 28 or 9. The answer is 28. Next question. High spin complex of a 3D metal ion M has a magnetic moment of 2.9 Bohr magneton in octahedral coordination environment and 4.1 Bohr magneton in tetrahedral environment. The metal ion is CO3+, nickel 2+, copper 2+, or cobalt 2+. The answer is nickel 2+. For electronic spectra of potassium chromate A and potassium molybdate, the correct combination is. The answer is option 3. The transition is ligand to metal charge transfer and lambda max for A is greater than B. Next question. Removal of an electron from NO molecule results in. The correct answer is option 2 A and C. An increase in the NO frequency in the IR spectrum and electrons in HOMOs being closer to the oxygen than to nitrogen 2p orbitals. Next question. Consider the nature of solvents in column 1 and the corresponding lambda max for I2 in various solvents given in column 2. Match the column 1 with column 2. The correct match is option 3. Non-donor 520, weak donor 450, strong donor 360 and pi electron donor 500. Next question. For the catalytic activity of copper and zinc containing enzyme superoxide dismutase, what is the correct statements? The answer is option 4, B and D. Copper and zinc both are essential. Zinc may be replaced by any other divalent metal atom. Next question. Mass spectrum of a compound shows an M+2 ion peak that is about 4% of M+. This indicates that the compound has 1 fluorine, sulfur, bromine or chlorine. The answer is sulfur. For the following compounds, the correct order of reactivity towards nucleophilic acyl substitution is. The answer is acetamide less than methyl acetate, less than acetic anhydride, less than acetyl chloride. Elementary steps of a reaction are as follows. A plus B gives 2C. K1 is the forward rate constant and K inverse 1 is the reverse rate constant, and 2C gives D. K2 is the rate constant of that reaction. If steady state approximation is applicable to C, the rate of product formation in the reaction is. The answer is option 1, proportional to concentration of A and B. Next question. The term symbol for the ground state of B2 is. The answer is sigma G3 minus. Next question. The change in entropy for a reversible adiabatic process is maximum, minimum, 0 or positive. The answer is 0. The lowest energy state of a 1s2 2s2 electronic configuration according to Hund's rule is. The answer is 3s1. If all the lattice points of an FCC structure are occupied by uniform hard spheres that touch each other, the fraction of volume occupied is pi root 2 divided by 6, pi root 3 by 6, pi by 6 or 2 pi by 6. The answer is pi root 2 by 6. Next question. Origin of the colligative properties of a dilute solution is. Options: volatility of solute molecule, interaction of solute solvent molecules, zero enthalpy of mixing, or entropy of mixing. The answer is entropy of mixing. Next question. Correct match for the coenzymes in column A with their function in column B is. The answer is 2. NADH reduction, FAD oxidation, coenzyme ASH acyl group transfer. Next is match the following. The correct match is MnO4 minus 2 MnO4 2 minus, sodium in liquid ammonia, Me3CH2 Me2C plus, H2SO3F plus, Ag plus Au, liquid BrF4, H3PO4, sulfuric acid. Next question. The correct increasing order of CC bond length in the following molecules. A is PtCl2 C2H4 minus, B is PtPpH3 twice C2H4, and C is PtPpH3 twice C2CN4 times. The answer is A less than B less than C. Next question. Identify the pair of molecules which are isoelectronic as well as isostructural from the following. A is PdPpH3 4 times, B is VCO6 minus, and C is CrCO6, D is RHPpH3 twice Cl, E is eta5C5H5 NiNO, and F is nickel tetracarbonyl. Answer is A and F. Next question. Identify the correct statements about the electronegativity of groups given below. The answer is the correct statements are NH3 group has lower value than that of NF2. CH3 and C2H5 groups have almost similar values. Next question. Height equivalent to theoretical plate HETP in gas liquid chromatography depends significantly on which of the following? Options: temperature of column, velocity of carrier gas, packing of column, and column material. The correct answer is Option 1 A, B and C. Temperature, velocity of carrier gas and packing of column. Next question. A binary fluoride of xenon combines with 2 moles of sodium fluoride to give a product which on heating to 100 degrees Celsius affords compound A. The alkaline hydrolysis of A gives percyanate salt Z and a percyanate salt Z and A are respectively. The answer is option 4 XeF6 and XeF8. Next question. Match fluorescence colors given in column A with lanthanide ions given in column B. The correct match is pink, samarium 3+, red, europium 3+, green, terbium 3+, and blue, thulium 3+. Choose the correct set of statements for cisplatin. The correct set is A, C and D. It can be prepared from K2PtCl4. In blood, it stays in equilibrium with cis PtNH3 twice Cl H2O+. In DNA strand, it binds to two adjacent cytosine bases. Next question. The structures of Re2Cl2- which is A and OS2Cl2- which is B are made up of 2 MCl4 units. For these structures, which statement is correct? A and B both have MCl4 units eclipsed. A and B both have MCl4 units staggered. A has both MCl4 units staggered and B has both MCl4 units eclipsed. A has both MCl4 units eclipsed and B has both MCl4 units staggered. The answer is either 1 or 4. Next question. For the Wacker process, pick the correct statements from the following. Palladium 2 is reduced to palladium 0 by Cu+. Palladium 0 is oxidized to palladium 2+ by Cu2+. Cu2+ promotes the reductive elimination. The correct answer is palladium 0 is oxidized to palladium 2+ by Cu2+. Next question. Consider following statements. Arsenic pentachloride is thermally less stable than phosphorus pentachloride. Second, size of arsenic is more than that of phosphorus. Choose correct answer from the following. Options. Statements 1 and 2 are true and 2 is the correct explanation of 1. Statements 1 and 2 are true but 2 is not the correct explanation for 1. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Both the statements 1 and 2 are false. The answer is 2. Statements 1 and 2 are true but 2 is not the correct explanation for 1. Next question. Irradiation of either cis or trans stilbene at 330 nanometer results in the formation of a mixture of 93% cis and 7% trans olefin because options. Trans stilbene is more stable than cis stilbene. The extinction coefficient of trans stilbene is greater than cis stilbene at exciting wavelength. The transition state structures of cis and trans stilbenes are different. The triplet excited states of cis and trans stilbenes are at different energy levels. The answer is option 2. The extinction coefficient of trans stilbene is greater than cis stilbene at exciting wavelength. Next question. A particle is in state phi is psi1 plus 3 psi2 where psi1 and psi2 are eigenfunctions of the Hamiltonian of the particle with eigenvalues E1 and E2 respectively. The average energy of the particle in the state phi is options. E1 plus 9 E2 divided by 10, E1 plus 3 E2, E1 plus 9 E2 divided by 4, E1 plus 3 E2 divided by 10. The answer is E1 plus 9 E2 divided by 10. Next question. The number of lines in the EPR spectrum of CD3 is options 3, 5, 7, 9. The answer is 7. Next question. A symmetric top molecule among the following is options ethylene, allene, butatriene, hexatriene. The answer is allene. Next question. In the phase diagram of water, the solid liquid boundary has a negative slope. The reason for this unusual behavior can be traced to decrease in options: density of the system on melting, volume of the system on melting, entropy of the system on melting, enthalpy of the system on melting. The answer is volume of the system on melting. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and please wait for the other videos.